14th of December and I've not yet get my Christmas tree. We are in a place called Setisido. We are going over to a shopping mall called Maxi Bazaar. Yeah, this place, guys, you see a lot of things, a lot of beautiful home decoration like Christmas items. By this time last year, I've already got my Christmas tree, but now there's a lot of things at hand this year, like my training, my school, you know, no chance. Last year we got live Christmas tree and I posted it on our family channel, and that was the first time ever that I was getting live Christmas tree. But guess what, you guys, it was giving me a lot of job. Like every day I have to clean the place because the tree was just falling down. This year I'm not gonna be getting live Christmas tree. We are getting artificial one. So you guys, let's go. I'm so excited. I'm going to meet Hobby where he parked the car. Priscilla is not with us today. Priscilla went to see our cousin, so I and Hobby are the one going to get our Christmas tree, and I'm going to be doing it like surprise for Madam Priscilla. So you guys, let's go. I love this. Right, ah non, non. Et celui-là?
Ouais, j'ai vu.
Mais il y en a... Non, ça c'est les petits, grands, c'est plus grand celui-là. Là. Ici?
Vous habitez où, vous?
À Nice.
Ah bon, on est à Nice là, mais...
Même si... ça...
Il y en a un à République ou à Thiers. Après, de l'autre côté, il y en a un à...
I think we come late to buy Christmas tree or... There's no more Christmas tree anymore. The one they have is very, very, very big. Buy for Priscilla.
Oui, mais je suis pas trouvé ici. C'est pour ça que j'ai dit non.
Guys, we are heading over to another shopping mall called... Oh, let me see the smell.
You don't want.
It smells good. For the car. I love the smell. It smells like something vanilla or something. Anyways, you guys, this year we are late. This is the only year that I'm hanging my Christmas tree late. So I think because it's Sunday, there's nothing there. The Christmas tree that we found is too much big. So we are going to another place, another shopping mall to see if we can find the one we are looking for. Today a lot of stores are locked. A lot of shopping malls are locked because it's Sunday. We arrived to another place, another center mall. This is what you get when you have a crazy husband. At times yeah, no, they correct this man. See your head. And I was having Saturday to do all the buying thing that I'm supposed to buy, but I did not go out. The weather is very good. The sun is very good and shiny. The weather is very, very nice. So this is where we are. Look at this type. I think I'm going with this one. I have the light and I have the balls that I got last year a lot. So I don't think I'm buying all those things now. But if I see something that I'm gonna add to it, I might take. So we are finally taking this one. This one is good. I also like this type, but there's no more this one. So we are taking this particular one. It's better.
Alors, ça c'est ton.
So beautiful. So we are taking one of these.
Allez, ça le blanc.
Yeah.
Et ça.
Take one of the star.
Ça.
So we are going with one of the star. Yeah.
Allez, blanc. Oui, là-bas.
Look at this one. That one is not working. We just have taken one Santa stocks for Madam Priscilla, and it's written Joy Noel, Merry Christmas. It's not gonna go inside. Why? It's too big. Put it on the back. Yeah, I think showing red, no? Let me keep this one. Yeah, I'm coming. Oh. It's okay. You guys, this man needs to be arrested. I need to arrest you. You are holding my camera to do something else. Anyways, we are heading over to we are heading over to another shopping mall.
Don't you think that the holiday should be all about
You guys, we are inside here trying to find the heater for us. I don't even know how to manage that heater. Stop working, you guys. Look at this one. Or this other one. And there's this other one.
Normalement c'est celui-là.
This one is okay. This one is not bad.
Oui, oui, je pense que c'est pas toujours.
No, this one is okay. So you guys, we just have came back. Look at the time we just have came back. 5:34. Hobby has go to park the car. Priscilla is not yet back. I think after setting this tree, we are going to be heading over to pick Priscilla up from her cousin place. How much I've loved this lights. You guys, take a look at this. I got this at home before. This is so cute. It got this little white. Stick his mouse. You see why I did not buy? This is another bowl from last year. Beautiful, cute bowl. Guys, our Christmas tree is ready. Merry Christmas. Finally, we are done with our Christmas tree. Basically, you guys, I just have go ahead and change my outfit. Now I'm ready to go to bed. I am so exhausted right now. I got some gift right here that I'm going to be wrapping, but that will basically going to be tomorrow, not this night anymore. And yeah, we have come to the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoy. Now bed is calling me. I need to go to bed. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for decorating my Christmas tree with me. I wish you guys a happy holiday with your loved one and your family. Too bad for me that I don't have family here, but it's okay. We move. We move. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next one. Peace out and bye.